Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make it never rain in Minecraft. To begin, you'll need to ensure cheats are enabled in your world. Once that's done, simply open your chat window and type /weatherclear. This command will instantly stop any current rain or snow, giving you clear skies for a short period. It's the quickest way to get rid of unwanted weather. For a more lasting solution, you can disable the entire weather cycle. Type /gammarule do weather cycle false into your chat. This command freezes the weather in its current state, so if it's clear, it will stay clear indefinitely. To bring back dynamic weather, just use the same command but change false to true. This is perfect for maintaining a consistent environment. To automate clear skies, you can use a repeating command block. First, obtain a command block using the /give command. Place it down, open its interface, and set it to repeat and always active. Then, input the command /weatherclear into the block. This setup will constantly execute the clear weather command, ensuring your world remains sunny without any manual input. For a very long, but not permanent, clear period, you can add a duration to the weather command. For example, /weatherclear 1,000,000 will keep the skies clear for approximately 11 real-life days. Remember to disable command block output using /gammarule command block output false to prevent chat spam if you're using repeating command blocks. This keeps your game experience smooth and uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.